welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look using the new Juvias Paste Wahala palette, which means drama. And guys, these colors and these shades in this palette definitely scream drama. So I'm really excited to show you guys how I achieve this look. This palette has so many great colors that I cannot wait to do different looks with this palette. But guys, let's go ahead and get into this video so I can show you how I achieve this look. So guys, I wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick review about what I like about this palette so far. When I just reviewed the palette overall, I'm really excited. What I do like about this palette is that it does actually have glitter in the palette. So within this palette, they have 3 shades that are actual glitter. One of them happens to be Colt, the other one has to be Pepper Body, and the other one is Yanga. I hope I'm saying this right, but it is Yanga. I couldn't find it. Okay, this one. They're actual glitter in a palette. I've never seen that before in a palette. Like, Juvia's Place is taking it up to the next level, guys. And I just think that's a game changer. So in this palette, you have a total of 20 shades. In the shades, you have about 11 shades that are eyeshadow. You have, like I said it before, you have 3 shadows that are glitter, and you also have 5 shadows that are pressed pigmented. And I think this is a lot that you can receive, or that a palette can offer to a person or a client, because it gives you a variety and flexibility to make several looks using just one palette. And that's why I'm saying, this palette called Drama, it's giving you all the drama, guys, because it's giving you the different type of looks, the different type of pigmented, and a palette that provides you with glitter inside. So definitely want to commend Juvia's Place for making a palette like this. But I just wanted to come on here real quick, guys, and insert this little review clip of me just giving y'all a little insight on the palette. But let's go ahead and get back into this tutorial.
Alright guys, so we're going in with our NYX white eyeshadow base, and we're using it as a primer because, you know, when I use color, I love to use a white base because it makes the color pop and show more transparent. So we're going in with that white eyeshadow base from NYX, and this has been spun up, guys, so it does look like I'm being a little bit rough, but I actually slowed this process down because I was like, this was looking a little bit too heavy. But guys, I just want to show you how I'm applying the white eyeshadow base in all the areas that I'm applying color eyeshadow to. Alright guys, so I'm showing you here that I'm going in with some loose powder to set the base for my lid. If you remember my previous video, I had some creasing, so I wanted to go in with this method to see how that reacts to the product and see if it minimizes the creasing that I had in my lid. And if you did not see that video, I will place it in a link right here so that you guys can check out that tutorial from another Juvia's Place palette. But here I showed you guys what color I'm going in with from the palette, and I'm just blotting that in and then fading it out a little bit towards the inner lid so that I can help with the transition for the other 2 shades. And basically here with the waterline, I'm going in and doing the same process I did in the upper lid. And I'm just making sure that between each color, I'm blending it out, making it transition smoothly so the color does not look too blotchy. Here I'm using my Milani primer, and I'm going in and just working that into my face. After I get that worked in and massage into my skin, I'm going to go in with my Juvias Place foundation as well as my Juvias Place concealer, and I'm just going to apply that onto my face. In the next step, I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place Hair On highlighter, and I'm applying that in all the areas of my T-zone as well as in the inner crease or dip in my nose.
Alright guys, if you made this far, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.